Hi, this is a recording for vendor creation. Let's discuss the manual process and then the Winshuttle template creation, and then let's test the template that we created in Winshuttle. So the first step is to input the transaction code XK01 to SAP, and it will bring you to this page, and then provide the company code, purchasing organization, and account group. Make sure vendor is empty, and then just click enter. Then you are asked to provide the necessary information. So you could provide the title, the name, you could provide a search term, street or house number, basically any field that you think it is important, then you could indicate it here. Normally in vendor creation there is a form that you could check so that you could input the data based on the customer or the vendor information. So once everything is okay, just click enter until you reach to the mandatory fields and everything is let's say fill out. Then you could proceed to the creation of vendor reference number by clicking yes. So here is your vendor, and then the next step is to process the same in Winshuttle. So let's open Winshuttle and then we start the recording. So basically you are just doing the same manual process. Just make sure that all the information that is necessary are recorded or captured. So in this example, we provide again the company code, the purchasing organization, the account group. It's basically the same. Company, the name, search term. Here we just need to be careful on the name because sometimes if it is duplicate, then our SAP server could detect that and it could require an additional steps on your Winshuttle commands. So just be careful on that one, make sure it is unique. So it is the same process as you seen earlier in the manual process. So click yes to save the mapping or the recording that we done. So SAP is compiling all those information, and once it is done, then we could proceed to um, mapping of the fields that we just selected. Okay, so here you have an option. You could drag and drop these rows to your Excel, let's say, layout. So here in this example, we are doing drag and drop. So you highlight all the rows and select the Excel column, and automatically it will assign each field to the column of the Excel. Or you could do automap, and basically it will be the same. You go to run button. Here you could do testing by clicking on the run, or you could save your file first, and then once it is successful, then you could publish your script. Publishing it meaning you are embedding the script to the Excel template so that the user will not be required to look for the script in order to use that template. So this is the new functionality of Winshuttle. So we could also use the Excel template directly to test the script. So just click on that small icon there, the Excel icon. It will have a pop-up window. So Excel is open. Then you have to log. So you have to log on to Winshuttle. You also need to log on to SAP. So have a connection between softwares. So click OK. And then here we add more information just for the demo purposes, so that you will see that it is more efficient to use the template instead of doing it manually. So with this, the vendor reference number is created quite faster compared to doing it manually.